Division with area model. Division with the area model assumes students have used the area model to multiply. Our division problem is 351 divided by 13 equals a given number. In the area model for multiplication, students understand that the two side numbers are multiplied together to create the amount of space inside. With division, one of the side numbers is missing. This is their unknown that they're looking for. The space inside, they do know how many blocks or spaces are inside, but what they don't know is how it's divided up or partitioned up to help them determine the other number. The way to use the area model to solve this is to draw a rectangle and then label your one side. Some students will find it easier, depending on the number set, to leave this as an intact number or to decompose it into simpler form. Now the student thinks, what do they know about the different numbers and how many times it could be used to make it? By taking and decomposing the number 13, the number 10 becomes a very accessible number. Students should know that 10 times 10 would give them 100. If they have this column of 10, they can't just think that 10 times 10 is 100. They also have to remember that they're filling in this block at the same time. So 3 times 10 is also 30. So the 10 times 13 is 130. So as of right now, we have used 130 pieces out of the 351. Students then could say, well, I see that I have over 130 left, so I can take another 10. 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 3 is 30. Or 10 times 13 gives me 130. So you would subtract 130 again. This is where it becomes tricky. Now they know that it can't be a 10 because it is less than 130. But do you just allow students to start guessing? Not normally, and you don't want them just to put in a 1. Ask them, how about 5? Or how about a 2? If they put in a 5, they would know that 5 times 10 is 50, and then 5 times 3 is 15. Together, that makes 65. 5 times 13 is 65. So now we have another space left. We need to find 26. This is where, if students are flexible with number, they could see that 20 and 6 make up 26, and that 10 times 2 is 20, and 2 times 3 gives them 6, or 2 times 13 is 26. So now they have used up their space of 351 little blocks. But where is my answer? What is the answer of 351 divided by 13? Again, if students have used this problem for multiplying, or this model, they would know that this then is my other multiplied number. But this isn't 101,052. These numbers are added together. 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 5 more is 25, plus 2 more is 27. So my answer of 351 divided by 13 is 27.